Hey guys, today I am in Garobadha and I'm going to have my meals at this place called Three Sisters Hotel, which has been highly recommended by you guys. Now let's get in. पूरा 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 यहाँ मेरे बीबू खप्पा ज़्यादा मारा माई ये जो कुछ waktu Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am here in Garobadha. This is a restaurant called Three Sisters and I believe the owner has 3 daughters or probably 3 sisters. And this is the spread. It's only about 7:30 in the morning. So this is what they have. This is pork beef, basically pig's intestine and innards. Then we have dough kappa. This is done with black lentils. Yeah, that is chicken with, this is chicken with black gram or black dal. I have this recipe on my YouTube channel, so just go ahead and check it out. I'll put it up in the cards. And this is our all-time favorite wakpura. This is pretty common during this season because mustard greens are readily available. And they are still preparing some chicken dishes which are yet to be ready. However, since I'll have to hit back the road again and move back to Tura, I will be covering only this and did not have enough time. So I'm going ahead and digging in. If you have passed through Garobadha, don't forget to come by. This place is really famous and it was, what do you say? I've read in a lot of comments from you guys when you have requested me to come here. So I'm going to dive in straight into this wakpura first. Or probably I should have tried the, okay, I'm going to try the beef first. Just park it aside. Go ahead and, oh, everything is really piping hot. So first goes in to try. This is my first time in Three Sisters. I do not travel much towards Garobadha side, and even if I do, it's only to purchase stuff and not to eat. But today I have specially traveled all the way from Tura to Garobadha, which is about 25 kilometers if I'm not incorrect. And you know, I'm here all out just to eat. I hope you will enjoy this video as much as any other Achutni hotels that I have covered so far. The khalsi is really strong. One thing that I have observed in Garo Hills, the difference is whenever we cook Garo cuisine, we ensure that we add the alkaline, solution slightly higher than any other tribes. I have tried Boro to Hajong to Koch recipes which are slightly, more subtle is what I would say. But in Garo dishes, the alchi has to be strong. The meat is really tender. It's so tender that it just fell off from the bones. And you can see this. I've taken only half a bowl of this wakpura, which is basically pork cooked in alkaline solution with mustard greens, then we thicken the gravy with rice flour powder or even rice, cooked rice. Okay, it's time for me to try out the wok bibic. This is looking really yum. I don't think I can finish all of this, so I'm going to carry it home. Yeah, you can see the innards here, as well as a lot of skin. I can see a lot of liver over here. Yeah, these are all pig. Do not worry, they are quite well cooked in Garo Hills. I cannot comment about any other state since I haven't tried pork intestines in other states. This has this umami taste as well as the fat, and culture is just perfect, just the way I love. For me, the pura was slightly on the higher side when it comes to this ingredient called khar or khalchi. This greasy, chewy. Just look at this. Yeah, this is really greasy and it is superb, I must say. Wow. It's the only word that I can say at this point in time. I just can't get over this. I think it's giving me a spoon here. Yeah, so it will be much easier. All the dishes are piping hot and are freshly cooked every day morning. And the best part is, until they are not well done, we do not like, we really like our meat to be well cooked. So you don't have to worry about its hygiene, because they are, about the pork's hygiene. They are cleaned thoroughly. I really like this rubbery texture while eating. And then my final dish, this is the do khappa. Pretty well worldwide famous is what I would say. Did she add black lentils? Yes, she did, but very lightly and not generously like how we prepare at home. I hope you will enjoy that recipe. This is basically chicken cooked with little bit of black lentils, which we locally call kalai. Yeah. All these dishes are really hot, and there are no masalas. These are all chilies, ginger, garlic. These are local chicken or country chicken, hence it's slightly chewy. So really getting stuck between my teeth. I think for my palate, the chicken had to be cooked for another half an hour. But the flavor, I must say, is to die for. While this piece was significantly tender than the other one. This is again liver. The best thing about eating country chicken is at least it's range free and they eat natural food, so must be significantly better than the broiler. I'm really trying to enjoy every day that I spent here in Garo Hills, and I'm really looking forward to covering places as well as restaurants throughout. Being a foodie, these are the kind of dishes that I really miss when I'm back in Bangalore. However, we get them covered at home, but it's that most of the time we have to do the cooking by ourselves and we don't have the luxury to go just go out to these kind of small restaurants and enjoy the different variations. I'm back to my video or innards. And this will be my last morsel. The rest of the food are getting packed, but before that I don't think I'll be able to carry this wakura, but it's really yum. I'm going to just have this fat. It's my dessert. I think of all the three dishes, I enjoyed the bibuk the most. I must say it's significantly good, and I'm going to put the rates. Since I haven't asked, I just started eating. I'm going to put the rates this time of each of this dish. And if you haven't watched my Nothing Badal video, please go ahead and check it out. I'm going to put it up in the card. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to cover any such restaurants or place to visit within Garo Hills, do let me know. I'll wait for your comments, and thank you for all the love and support. Until then, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.